Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geeks. So we are back with HashedIn referral for freshers. Yeah, you heard it right. So for 2022 graduates, HashedIn is holding out referral forms by the employees. That is for the position of software engineering graduates. And the big boom amount for the salary is 8.1 LPA. That means beginning with a salary of 50 to 55,000 per month. That's really amazing if you go there. And secondly, talking about HashedIn, it's one of the best organizations nowadays. From last year, it has been handed over by Deloitte with amazing benefits, a great work culture, and the very first thing is its training that makes a person efficient enough. So, talking about the HashedIn referral form, so before telling you about the referral forms, do like, share, subscribe. Do subscribe first of all and comment in case you have any queries related to any kind of reference. Okay, so talking about the designation is intern plus SE. So the offer that would be given to you would be intern plus software engineering. That's a 6-month internship with SE1. Qualifications, all the B.Tech, BE, MCA, MTech, MSc. All these students which are from technical, that is a computer science background and its aligned branches. The basic thing that is required is that no active backlogs should be there. Please keep that in mind. Like if you're filling the referral form, please make sure you don't have any backlogs. Secondly, it is that your CGPA should be 60% or above. Okay, so the CGPA should be 60% or above. That's 60% or 6 CGPA overall. Please make sure you are from one of these backgrounds filling this form, because I would be getting a lot of referral responses, so it won't be easy to filter it out. So it's better give yourself a fair chance. Talking about the job description, it's basically if you're good in communication, you have a passion for technology and learning, good understanding of data structures and algorithms, good understanding of programming concepts, obviously one language, that is C, C++, Java or Python, at least one you should be good at, knowledge of any of the programming languages. Working on databases, web applications would be a plus. So if you have already worked on web applications, DBs, developed some projects, then obviously you have a higher chance of being selected. Then talking about the ability to switch between the contexts, like you should have an enthusiasm to learn, communication skills, client communication, and more. Okay, so this is the basic. Now the major part is how to apply. So as you can see in the video description, there's a link of the Google form. The Google form is to be filled before 4th April, because that's the deadline for the referrals and it would be closing for everyone. Please provide your resume link. There I have made a column for the resume link. Please make sure you upload the resume in your Google Drive and make it accessible for anyone with the link, so that when I try it should be opened. Okay. Then provide your details properly. Please make sure you eh, provide your correct email address. Everything should be correct and don't fill the form more than once. Now talking about what to do after filling the form. Now, form is filled. How would you know that your referral is done? Like, I actually applied it. So, the second part is, as soon as I'll check you are eligible, I'll fill your referral. You'll receive a message from the HR. That form has to be filled within 3 days so that you can appear for the interview process. Interview process will begin from 11th April. Now, talking about what to do after filling that form also. Now the thing is, you have filled the form, you have to appear for the interviews, you have to appear for the online assessment. So I am sharing the description link that shares the interview experience and online assessment links for HashedIn, how the people have told what were the experience, what was my own experience in this company. So that is there. Please make sure you follow it, and in case you have any doubts, do let me know. Any queries you want me to share, anything, do comment and I'll be there to help you out. Now, thank you. Keep following Tech Geek, and yeah, please subscribe, because If I will get more subscribers, I'll bring up more referral forms and more good opportunities. Thank you.